of a change of pace. As you can see, I've got my Corona and banner. And if you didn't know, I am Mrs. Florida America 2019. I should have given up my title back in May, but you know, COVID. So it is now Labor Day weekend and the festivities are about to start. So I'm all decked out in my crown and banner, going to orientation. So I'm gonna cover, this is gonna be a little bit of a different video. Gonna cover what it's like to attend a pageant during COVID-19. And what it's like to be the queen and give up your title. And I got my son, and we got my son here, and we got matching masks from the Mask Buddy, and he's gonna be my date today and tomorrow. And let's go meet the contestants. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go meet the contestants. So we're at orientation. You can kind of see it already started, and I got my mask on, but so we're gonna just listen really quick and meet all the contestants. And that's Jackie Siegel, who owns Mrs. Florida, and her and her family also own the Westgate Resorts, and she's doing her brief introduction and orientation of the contestants.
It was gonna be Julie. It was gonna be Julie, but that's okay. I'll hop up. Hey, ladies. It hurts our heart. I volunteer. Renee volunteers. Jolie volunteers. Denise volunteers. I mean,
there's my son.
Deb volunteers.
See him.
All of us on the committee. Nina that was here.
His iPad.
All volunteer. Rodrigo.
So this is the Miss Pageant, the Miss Florida for America. And there they go, they're getting ready. And here's the misses on this side. Are you looking for me?
Yeah.
Hi! Hi, everybody! Say hi to you two.
Hello.
So we had orientation. Now I changed, came upstairs, did a quick change, and now I'm in my cocktail dress, put my hair back, and going to the welcome cocktail party. And my son is ready to go. Ryder, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah?
But I mean, but what's it?
Okay.
The red height even crash into a meteor and then into Earth.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
There's a meteor that crashed into Earth. So thankfully it didn't happen at the Westgate Lakes. So we're headed down to dinner. The chef from Westgate Lakes saw that my son was there, and he said, would he like chicken nuggets and french fries? So they are making him, especially for him, chicken nuggets and french fries, because they didn't think he was gonna like the cocktail food. So we will see you downstairs. So I just got to the cocktail party. I'm in charge of passing out the drink tickets. That's what they put the queen to work. Ryder's over there playing with another balloon, but people are kind of just straggling in. It was some raining, so the girls got to get changed and their cocktail attire. So it should be a fun night. So we have our official photographer over here, Brian Price, doing some pictures with some of the formers. We got Jacqueline Stapp over there, who's a former and is also a judge. We got Renee Ruiz, who's a former Mrs. America, former Mrs. Florida, and is on the committee. And it's starting to pick up over here. We got the husbands, some contestants. We're socially distanced, and I got a new piece of headwear, so I'm wearing my nice little shield so I don't ruin my makeup. It's actually kind of weird to wear this, but probably better than the mask. Now I can actually smile and people know that I'm smiling. So I don't know if you can hear me. We'll see how that works, but it's my new headpiece. Ryder, what are you eating? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Is that tasty?
Yeah.
My son, they offered him chicken nuggets, but the kids eating lamb.
But wait.
And the wonderful staff at the Westgate brought him some chicken nuggets and french fries, even though he loved the lamb too. So, but I think the chicken nuggets and french fries are gonna win. Is that good? Is that yummy? Yeah. So as you can see, the party is picked up. I got my drink, I got my shield, but Ryder's got a girlfriend. So I don't know if you can see her back there. He likes the older women, so he picked up a little 12-year-old girl. He's been playing with her. He's having a good time. But it's been so much fun. Got to meet some of the judges and just got to connect with a lot of the contestants and the judges and hang out with a bunch of people. So it's just been a really, really fun night. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. It's my last night as Mrs. Florida America. it's a beautiful morning at the Westgate Lakes, and Ryder and I are gonna go check in on the contestants because they are rehearsing. I got my mask here. They're rehearsing, so we're gonna go check in on them at rehearsals and see what's going on. And I love the Westgate Lakes. It's such a beautiful resort. The rooms are amazing. Like, the space that Ryder and I have is just incredible. And this is building 900, which is where they put all the contestants and all the VIPs, is what they said. And it's right next to the convention center and the ballroom. So if you ever stay here, try and get into building 900 or the one next door, which is 1100. And that's the marketplace that you can buy like toiletries and groceries. There's also a pizzeria there. We're not gonna go there, but we're gonna go the elevator to go upstairs to the ballrooms. So we just got here and they are practicing evening gowns. So we're gonna take a look. So I just did my little piece of practicing with giving some awards, and they're practicing now for the top 8 that they're gonna have. And we're just practicing, so this is what rehearsals is all about. They're gonna rehearse for a lot longer than I do. I get to enjoy myself, so, but I'll show you a little bit about rehearsals, and we'll come back later tonight.
This is Winter Pilot.
Okay, ladies.
You tell them, Ryder.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen.
Representing Central Florida, I'm you, Lexi George Lowry.
I'm leaving. I'll see you guys after that.
Okay, honey. Thank you. So as you can see, I just got my makeup done. I'm saving the lips for later because I'm gonna have to wear a mask. Got my hair ready to go. We're gonna pull it up later. It is 4:47. The pageant starts at 7. And we're gonna turn around here. This is where the magic happens. So we'll start over here. We have one of the Miss contestants, Carolyn, and my buddy Blake. Blake was my makeup artist at Mrs. America. And and last year he also did my makeup when I won, as well as the Miss. And then we have Allie, who did my makeup for my my family pictures last year at Disney. Right, Allie Lee. I tagged her in that post, so I'll tag her in this post as well. So if you ever are in Orlando or you need a makeup artist, contact Allie.
I travel too.
She travels too, and Blake has moved to LA. So if you're in LA, Blake Walters.
Hello.
Find him on Instagram. So I want to know, what are all the precautions you're taking with COVID? Because we know you're wearing the face shield. What are you doing now that you don't do differently?
So, well, gloves. I have been wearing gloves as well. Also, like masking up, I'll do a double mask. Also new for me is just kind of keeping everything covered in like little container bins. I always cover like everyone's brushes and everything when they're sitting, and then once we've used them, we put them in other things. I've done these tricks for years, but I also keep people's like little bags with what they've used.
Oh, that's good. Okay, cool. And then we have Brianna over here. And Brianna, and we have another contestant here who's getting bumped up. And then Brianna is I guess you're assisting Allie today, but she's also. Tell us what you are currently furloughed.
Yes.
So we hope that you come back, because we are going to, my family and I are going to Universal in a couple of days.
Yeah.
So you are furloughed, but what do you do at Universal?
I get to hang out with some of the superheroes, so maybe I'll get
So you're
called in.
you're a friend of Storm. Isn't that so awesome? So, well, we are hoping that the furloughed employees from Universal and Disney get called soon. So as I've said before in other videos, if you feel safe enough to travel to the parks, make sure you travel, because we need to get these people back.
Yeah.
So, so that's it. That's a little bit of the behind the scenes of what it's like to be backstage at a pageant during COVID. And I am going to shut off this and put my mask back on. So I will be back. So we are backstage at Mrs. Florida America 2020. Are you ladies ready? Yeah! So we are backstage, as you can see. I don't have my watch, but I've got about 2 hours left in my reign. And we have the ladies. I know, try not to cry, no crying, but hey everybody.
Hey, hey.
So these are the beautiful ladies who want this crown. Okay, who wants it more? Who wants, okay, you guys are kind of quiet. One more time, who wants it more? So I just want to say these women are amazing. It's been an honor to know them in the last 24 hours because it's been a whirlwind of a pageant. But thank you everybody, and I will be back and we will see which one of these lucky ladies I will be crowning tonight. Bye everyone. Bye.
Wednesday was the worst day of my life. I was in a complete fog. I'm still can't believe he's not around because he was such a strong, commanding person. But I know he's in a better place due to everything he was going through. And I just want to let everyone know, if you're a part of this organization, you are truly blessed because he created something that's networking. Jackie, David, all of us to come together that we would have never known one another. And he gave us an audience. He gave me an audience, something I never had, that I could spread and be an advocate for the blind and visually impaired, and I'm thankful for him. Thank you, David. I miss him so much. So, thank you for being here and support these ladies, and be grateful that you're part of our family here. So thank you.
Thank you so much. I'll translate because I can hear him and you can't. He said he really enjoyed doing this for Shannon. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's amazing. Now please give him a huge round of applause. That's amazing. Neil, thank you so much. I mean, it gets better and better every year. You know what, I was going to save this guy for next. Shannon's husband couldn't be here tonight because of a change in work schedule, so we brought the second most important man in her life, and that is her son, Ryder. Ryder, why don't you come up on stage? That's him in the fifth picture. Ryder, can you see your picture? You see yourself in the picture?
Adorable.
Handsome, huh?
Who is that?
Who is that? That's you like that picture? You tell Mr. Loeb thank you?
Say thank you.
Give him 5, because we're not supposed to really shake hands.
I did bring him a Mickey Mouse poster.
Oh my gosh, you got everything tonight, didn't you?
So in our room, we are blessed to stay in a nice 2-bedroom suite, courtesy of the Seagulls, perk of a queen. And there is a poster that I realized was of Mickey Mouse by Neil, and Ryder has been going crazy for it. He is sleeping in the bed next to the poster because he wants to sleep next to Mickey Mouse. So I actually sent him a video of him going crazy over the poster, and he just told me that he was kind enough to bring the poster for Ryder. So we're gonna put this up in Ryder's room. So if you stay to the Westgate, this poster's probably in your room too.
Well, I met Mr. Siegel in the early 80s at an art expo show in New York. And Disney commissioned me to do this poster for the opening of Euro Disney in France.
Wow.
That's yours right here?
Yeah.
That's my picture.
Can you hear Ryder? He's like, that's the picture in my room. That's a great, yeah, we're gonna take a picture, Ryder. Man, Mama, you taught him well. Jeez. All right,
Always
guys.
stealing the thunder.
I know. Big round of applause, guys, for Neil Loeb. Thank you so much.
I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful to the Seagulls, to the entire Florida committee. And then again, I want to give a special thanks to David and Carrie because they have been with me the whole time. And we were talking about how going into their shop is kind of like a time warp, but it feels like home. And I'm sad that my husband couldn't be here because he's working, but I got my little man here, and it's just been a blessing. So thank you so much. And to the next Mrs. Florida America and the first Mrs. Florida American, get ready for a wonderful year. You've got a wonderful committee and a wonderful team behind you, and you are very lucky. Thank you.
Thank you to Shannon. And your new Mrs. Florida America for 2020. She's worked incredibly hard. Congratulations, Mrs. South Florida.
So that's it. Mrs. Florida America for 2020 is over. I have given up my title. I have taken off my heels, and I am signing out. This was a lot of fun. It was definitely a different experience with COVID-19 and the mask and the shields and all of it, but it was such a pleasure, and I am retired. I am tired, and I'm gonna go get a drink. So with that, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like, and I will see you next week. Bye, everyone.